Also, not a new reaction tonight after this Brown University doctor is not allowed back into the U.S. after she attended the funeral for the spiritual leader of a terrorist organization, Hezbollah.
And tonight we're speaking with a local immigration attorney. That attorney says that it should serve as a warning to anyone holding a visa. The night team's Leanna Falk is live in studio with her message. Leanna?
Patrice Dan, an immigration attorney and law professor at Roger Williams University, says her advice to non-citizens right now is simple: stay put.
My advice is don't travel.
That warning comes days after federal officials detained and deported Dr. Rasha Alawi, a kidney specialist at Brown Medicine and Rhode Island Hospital. Her case prompting protest.
We'll never be defeated.
In a legal battle to bring her back.
We're not going to stop fighting to get her back in the U.S. to see her patients, and we're also going to make sure that the government follows the rule of law.
Alawi, a Lebanese citizen with a valid H-1B visa, was returning from Lebanon when Customs and Border Protection stopped her. Officials say she attended a funeral for a Hezbollah leader and had photos on her phone and social media linked to the U.S. designated terrorist organization.
The Constitution does not attach at the airport because the airport is considered a border.
That means, according to immigration attorney Deborah Gonzalez, officers had the power to detain, question, and search her phone without a warrant.
Due process doesn't attach to her. She's not a citizen of the United States. She's not in the United States.
Gonzalez says border officials routinely search social media accounts, and visa holders should be aware of how their posts may be perceived.
People who are posting things that are either derogatory or critical of our current president, is that going to be taken into consideration going forward?
I don't know.
She points to the recent case at Columbia University, where a grad student now faces deportation after leading pro-Palestinian protests on campus.
Not because there's any real threat to national security other than the fact that he doesn't believe in what the government is doing.
As for Alawi, it's unclear whether she will be allowed back in the U.S. as a federal petition moves forward. A federal judge has given the federal government until Monday to provide more information on Dr. Alawi's case. Meanwhile, Brown University is asking all of its international community to postpone any travel outside of the U.S. Live in studio, Leanna Falk, NBC 10 News Night Team.